Hi guys, it's Lesley Tao here. Welcome to my channel. Now in this episode, we're going to talk about how to talk to agents. Hi guys, so I get asked this question like so much. It comes up every week even. How do we talk to agents about rent to rent? Now, I would say you really need to just be honest with them, number one, and number two, inject some of your personal experience into the conversation. So for example, I used to do rent to rents in Dubai, so I would tell the agent a bit about my background and that I've had a certain amount of experience in property. If you're new to property, you might be a landlord, or you might have done some sort of management or maintenance works for your parents' home even. So try and bring all that into conversation a bit more. So the first thing to do is ask the agent whether they do corporate lets. And if they do corporate lets, let them know that you're not going to actually be housing your own employees. You're going to be housing employees of other companies. And if they intend to do rent to service accommodation, you need to ask them whether they would accept the property being on a short-term booking platform such as booking.com or Airbnb. And another golden nugget for you guys is we always take pictures of our properties to go and show agents so that they know what kind of designs we're going for. But if you don't have a property portfolio, I suggest you get some generic pictures and just bring them in and show the agency and tell them this is the kind of look we're going for this year.